Madam. My name is Joanna Marie Alfonso Ikutan, Filipino, 27 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. I'm married. I have 2 children. My husband is working as a sales clerk. I have 7 sisters, and I am the eldest in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Joanna Marie. How are you right now?
I'm fine, sir, Madam. Thank you.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, Madam, I am honest, patient, responsible, and hardworking.
Can you tell me the proper way in how to take care of the children?
Sir, Madam, I will give the children food on time, give proper hygiene, and loving the children as my own.
What if you committed mistakes? What to do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities, and I will finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Ikutan, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.